Hello, everyone. Excuse me. Um, Last week I missed doing my weekly update of my Icads. I talked to you about it on Sunday, and I just couldn't get it done Monday. We had so much trouble with our internet. So what I have decided to do is to do a wrap up today, because today is July 31st. It's the last day of the ICAD 2021. I'm going to do my ICAD for today, and I'm actually going to do a week and 3/4 or something like that, and then I am going to post it Monday night rather than today. I don't think I'm going to get it edited and all that kind of stuff today. So I have a couple of things I wanted to tell you. That somewhere along the line I told you I bought this. It's supposed to be a photo frame thing, and I was going to create a little piece on these Icads that held them in there so that this thing went in there. But as you can see, there's almost too many of them. Now, I might be able to alter the rings on this thing some till it works better, but for right now, I've also decided I don't really want them in there. I think it would be cool to have them in there, but I'm going to think about this a little bit more. I have decided that I'm thinking about scanning these and using them to make collage pieces out of. So because of that, I don't really want them in this thing with tabs on them. And that's the only way to do it, is to add a tab to it. I don't want to punch holes in them. So I will probably just, I'm sure I have a photo album or something where I can put them in and out and save them that way. I may just put them in a box for the time being. I know I have a box. So I just want you to know I'm not going to go ahead and put them in here. And let's see about bringing it in a little closer. As I said, I missed doing my update last week, so I'm just going to give you a run through of the last almost 2 weeks. This one was July 20th. I think I did this one on a live stream. And this one was the 21st. Now, some of these you saw on my Sunday live stream if you happen to be there. But I really like the way this one came out. Very different from some of the others that I did. And this one, again, is very different from some of the others I did. It looks very architectural, mechanical, something like that. It looks like an old wall to me. And we decided this one looks like it is outer spacey. This is probably the sun array, that's the solar power, and that's a spaceship. It was kind of odd that we thought that up. This was the 23rd. And this one I liked how it came out. A little bit different. At the same time, they're all kind of the same. This one makes me think of a landscape. Like these are bushes or something like that. This one was the 26th, and again, it's a little different. Very square compared to other things. Kind of like windows or buildings or something like that. I think I did this one on the live stream. I was trying something different and it wasn't coming out quite the way I wanted. I think I was headed somewhere like this, but it didn't come out that way. But I do like how it did come out. That was the 27th, so yeah, I'm pretty sure that was Sunday's live stream. And this one makes me think of a butterfly. makes me think of a landscape again. This kind of looks like a tree with bushes. Very futuristic, very graphic. And this one might be more mechanical again, kind of like water pipes in the wall or something like that. So, oh, we have a little spot where it's raising up. Every once in a while, I must miss with the glue. Anyways, today is July 31st, so today is our last Icad for 2021. Doesn't mean it's the last one I'll ever make, but it's for 2021, but it's for last for this the challenge. So I decided I wanted to make a flowery one today, so I am going to use this piece with these great colors in it, and probably I kind of like that corner over there, so I'll probably put it on over there. I am going to just get quiet here, work away. I think I'll take you back out a little bit so I don't have to fight to stay on camera. Okay, that should do it. And I'll be back at the end and we'll talk about what I did. Wow, this project is finished. I'm really very, very happy with everything that has come out. Now that was the same. No, maybe it's not. I think it is the same. Yeah, it was the same stamp used on the jelly plate, so the jelly print had the same shape, but yet this one is different than that one. I do like how that happens. They come out different every time. I really, really hope you guys have enjoyed this project, this Icad 2020. Now, if you're not familiar with the project, if you check the description box down below, there is a link to Daisy Yellow's blog spot, which talks about the project. It's ongoing. I think it's been going 9 or 10 years, something like that. Also, up there in that corner, there will be a link to the entire set of videos that I have for 2021. I did a video every week. Now, I did do some of the Icads in live streams, but there's a video recap of all of the Icads for 2021 in that playlist. And right now, I'm going to read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity and go see about getting some other things done. Trying to please everybody is a sure way to guarantee failure. Create for yourself and use your own sense of fulfillment as the gauge for success or failure. I really like that one. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.